अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट, कैसे हैं आप लोग? आई होप यू आर फाइन. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टुडे वी आर डिस्कसिंग टेंसेस. Let me first give you the information about the tense, that what is tense, the history of this word. So dear students, tense is actually a Latin word. It has been derived from the word tempus. It means time. Now, how many tenses are there? There are three tenses: present tense, past tense, future tense. Present tense means that the action is taking place in the present time. Past tense means that the action took place in the past time, and future tense shows that the action will occur in the coming time. So three tenses are there. Now there are four aspects for each of the tense. The first aspect is indefinite. The second aspect is continuous. The third aspect is perfect. And the fourth aspect is perfect continuous. Now the very first aspect of the present tense is present indefinite tense. Dear students, present indefinite tense shows daily routine, habits, or the repetition of an action. It also shows universal truth. Okay. The Urdu ending of this tense is ta hai, ti hai, te hai वगैरह. We have helping verb do and does for this tense. Okay. Do is used with I, we, you, they, and does is used with he, she, it, or a singular name. The formula of this tense is, when we want to make this tense, so the positive formula of this tense is subject, then first form of the verb, then object. With he, she, it, or a singular name, s or es is used. Okay. When we want to make a sentence negative, so do, then not, and then first form of the verb is used. With I, we, you, they, we use do not, do, and with he, she, it, or a singular name, we use does. Clear? And for interrogative, do or does is written in the beginning of the sentence. Do, then subject, then first form of the verb, then object. Clear? Here I have written few example of the sentence. Number first, मैं शाम को घर का काम करता हूँ. I do homework in the evening. Look at, I is subject, do is first form of the verb, and homework is object. Number two, हम हर इतवार क्रिकेट खेलते हैं. हम के लिए इंग्लिश में यूज़ होता है वी, एंड खेलने के लिए प्ले. वी प्ले क्रिकेट एवरी संडे. क्लियर? नंबर थ्री, तुम नाश्ता नहीं करते हो. यू डू नॉट टेक ब्रेकफास्ट. लुक एट, देयर इज हेल्पिंग वर्ब डू, एंड आफ्टर डू देयर इज नॉट. क्लियर? डू नॉट. नंबर फोर, क्या वो सबक याद करता है? Does he learn his lesson? The subject is he, so with he we use does, and since the sentence is interrogative, therefore does is written in the beginning of the sentence, and then first form of verb and then object. Does he learn his lesson? Number five, वो अंग्रेज़ी बोलती है. She speaks English. Look at, the subject is she, and first form of verb is speak, so s is added with first form of verb because of she. क्या तुम सच बोलते हो? Do you speak the truth? Look at, the sentence is interrogative, so do is written in the beginning of the sentence. Do you speak the truth? वो झूठ नहीं बोलती है. This is a negative sentence. She does not tell a lie. She do not is wrong. Okay, does not, because the subject is she. When with she we use what? We use does. She does not tell a lie. Next tense we have present continuous tense. Dear students, continuous tense tells us that an action is taking place at the time of speaking. The helping verb of this tense is mr. With he, she, it, or singular name is used, and with I, am is used, and with we, they, you, are is used. The Urdu ending of this tense is रहा है, रही है, रहे हैं वगैरह. The formula of this tense is, first of all you have to write subject like I, we, you, they, he, she, it. Okay, then is mr, then ing form of verb which is called present participle, and then object. Look at the example now. मैं क्रिकेट खेल रहा हूँ. Look at the Urdu ending is रहा हूँ. So this is the identity of present continuous tense. Whenever there is रहा हूँ, it means this is present continuous tense. Then come to the formula. According to the formula, first of all, I is used, then I take M. Look at, I take M. So M is used, helping verb, okay. Then ing form of verb which is called present participle, and then cricket. I am playing cricket. वो खाना नहीं खा रही है. Look at the help, the subject is she. She is not eating the meal. Look at the sentences in negative. That is why after is not is used. Next sentence is वो खाना नहीं खा रही. This is a negative sentence. She is not eating the meal. क्या तुम बाजार जा रहे हो? This is interrogative. Are you going to बाजार? Next sentence is हम टीवी देख रहे हैं. We are watching TV. The third aspect of this tense is present perfect tense. Present perfect tense shows the completion of an action. The helping verb of this tense is have or has. With I, we, you, they or a plural name we use have, and with he, she, it or singular name we use has. The Urdu ending of this tense is chuka hai, chuke hain, chuke hain. The formula of this tense is subject, then have, has, then third form of the verb, and then object. Now the example. हम घर जा चुके हैं. We have gone home. तुम उससे नहीं मिल चुके हो. This is negative. So after have or has we have to use not. You have not met him. Next sentence is क्या मैं आपको पैसे दे चुका हूँ. Have I given you money? And the fourth sentence is आज तेज़ बारिश हो चुकी है. It has rained heavily. The fourth tense is present perfect continuous tense. The name of this tense shows that some of the part of the action has come to an end and some of the part of the action is still in progress. So it tells us about that action which started in the past and is still taking place in the present time. The helping verb of this tense is have, has, and plus been. After have and has been will be used B-double-E, and this is been, not been. Some of the students pronounce it wrong, been. This is not been, this is been. Okay? Urdu ending of this tense is ta raha hai, ti rahi hai, te rahe hain. The formula of this tense is, first of all, we have to write subject, then have, has, then been, then ing form of verb, object, then since and for, or then time expression. Since is used when the starting time of the action is known. The starting time is known, okay? For example, since morning, since evening, since Sunday, since January. So in all these sentences, the time of the action is known. For is used when the time is unknown. And this is used for duration, like for is used for duration, like for 2 days, for 2 months, for 2 years. Clear? Now, if you want to make the sentence negative, so after have and has, we have to use not and then been. Like, I have not been. In interrogative sentences, have or has is written in the beginning of the sentence. For example, have you been? Clear, students? Now, let me give you a few examples of this tense for your better understanding. The first sentence of that I have written here, मैं सुबह से काम करता रहा हूँ. Look at सुबह से, so the time is known. The starting time is सुबह से. I have been working since morning. Clear? Have is used because the subject is I. Sentence number 2, वो 2 दिन से किताब नहीं पढ़ता रहा है. So here we have subject he. With he we use has. He has. And since the sentence is negative, so after has we have to use not. He has not been reading the book for 2 days. Next sentence 3. क्या एक हफ्ते से बारिश होती रही है? Has it been raining for 1 week or for a week? Both are correct, okay? क्या एक हफ्ते से बारिश होती रही है? Has it been raining for a week, or has it been raining for 1 week. Both are correct. One is used for stress. Sentence number 4. हम शाम से तिलावत करते रहे हैं. We have been reciting the Holy Quran since evening. Clear, students? So these are few examples for your understanding. Dear students, these were the 4 aspects of the present tense. So I hope you have understood it, and now it is quite clear to you now. See you next time. Bye.